back, baby. Wow. Fresh from the airport, straight to City Hardware with the shoes.
Back from Manila. Soon as I arrived, Abelson as well. Big shipment. Dishwasher. Microwave.
We have an umbrella.
Oh, free umbrella. It's the oven. That's a washing machine, I think. That's the freezer. Hinay with this one. It's the TV. Water dispenser.
Yeah, maybe put there, not there. Put in the back. Unsa na? Yeah, gaan na. Stove. Pero ipahigda ra na ya. Your couch. Open the door, babe. Di na maigo ya ba? Maigo na na.
Now is the big one, the fridge.
Yay! Corner, dito corner.
Now let's lift it up to this one. What is in here? Grab. And one grab there, one grab there.
All good. Even the rain is kind of crazy, but they were able to come here. So Abenson, we got everything from Abenson, bebe?
Yeah.
Good. Lagi. Bugat. Careful. Dako. Are you sure? Wow.
Now we can cook. Hey Lynn, do you know what the setting on the previous oven we had was called?
Yeah, only.
It was called burn. Told ya. So you don't have to bend your back down to open. Now it's good height.
Super good height.
Check this out, guys. Beautiful blue sky. But the pole shoes, it's raining. No rain in sight. Oh wait, there it is. That is literally a bucket of shower coming straight towards us. Sorry to disappoint you guys, but it looks like it just faded out. Look at the sky! Wow! I think mortar just blew up.
Wow. Baby, look at your kalabasa, your squash.
It's crazy. It's growing vigorously. Probably 10 times faster, bigger, better than down there. Now they were growing it in this pot.
Yeah, we do experiment here. And guess what? We have one already here. Yes. Yeah, here. Hello there.
We don't actually know what to do because even if we put something to let it crawl up, I think it's gonna be so big and heavy. So maybe you guys can comment below what we should do now. Because look at this, it's just growing all over the place.
Yep.
That's why we're clearing the weeds out. Check out the carrots. Carrots grow in the Philippines, guys.
Whoa. Here. What?
So next week we're actually hiring a gardener or someone to take care of the weeds twice a week. But it just amazes me sometimes efficiency with work here. So let's do a speed test. How long it takes to clear the weeds here? Count me down on 3.
3, 2, 1, go. Include the roots, huh?
Of course, has to be the roots or it's not equal. Otherwise it's just too big. You need to get the roots.
That's really fast.
Get the soil off a bit. Time.
2:32. I don't know.
Almost there. Only a small detail.
Yes.
What did you show? 2.5 minutes to do one?
When the soil is wet.
Exactly. The soil is wet.
So naman na Jidon. Unsa naman na Jidon?
Well, if you want to know if the wood is strong enough, then you can see it. Okay, we just made our first mistake in the kitchen, but it's not dramatic. It's just a minor thing we have to adjust, and that is involving our dishwasher. Here it is.
Pick up.
Very nice one. Techno. I have no idea about this brand, so we'll find out and keep you guys updated if it's any good. What was the price? 30,000?
Yeah, 30,000.
Yeah, roughly around $600. But the measurement in the kitchen, all are correct except that we made a height adjustment in the bottom, which we forgot to not include where the dishwasher was.
Yeah.
So everything is correct on the side, the depth, except the height.
Yes.
So I'll show you in the kitchen what we have to remove to make it fit. Basically this part here.
Good thing that's the only part.
Yeah, so we're going to use a cutter and just cut the cement out. Then it will fit. Hey Jules, what are you up to?
Yes, we have the plan for the new clients.
Yes,
Yes, thank you very much, sir Ben.
Congratulations guys.
Nearby.
We will be watching while you're in Singapore working. We will keep eye on them. No worries. Beautiful view. Just below us.
Oh!
Whoa, what big bees.
God!
Whoa, holy, whoa! They are huge. Whoa. I was just gonna say that was our new neighbors. And we hooked them up with Junes, our contractor, and they're gonna be building their house very close to us, maybe 500 meters. It's good to have the bees so they can pollinate all the fruits. My goal here is to have everything self-pollinated, so you don't have to cross-pollinate any fruit species. Just let the nature do its thing. And check this one out. Just blossomed sunflower. We also got lots of new fruit coming up. Papaya, one of my favorite. And along our temporary fence here, we already have lots of passion fruit. This is a passion fruit. A lot of places. Wow, I see one passion fruit blooming. Look at this. It's beautiful. I've never seen it. I think that's the pollen I used to touch here. So the previous blooming, nothing came out, but our neighbor Robert and Denise said that's normal for the first blooming. They usually don't produce any fruit after that. So I'm just gonna pollinate them ourselves and see if that works. Wow, look at that.
Yeah. And where are you gonna put that?
I think it goes into this. I have no idea if this is right, so before I sleep tonight, I will go to my YouTube university and see if I did. I hope this is the right way. I have no idea.
But look at your papaya here. Whoa!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That's a lot. No, it's like 2, 4, 6, 7. 7, baby. There's a 2.
The bees are going to these rows. I haven't seen them. They're just giving me that yellow flower. But obviously in the future we don't want to be always doing this. But I just want to get the first fruit.
Let the nature do it, baby.
Yeah.
Wow, the passion fruit here is getting crazy
Yeah.
big.
I think it might even, in the end, it's going to be too heavy for this.
Yeah.
So the cyclone for the fence that you see all around us now, that's where I'm going to plant more passion fruit. And at the post, that's what I'm going to try, put some dragon fruit as well. See how that goes.
Whoa!
This looks like some bees or something happening here.
Maybe.
Because it's all
Yeah, let them.
lots of flower. There's a spider.
It's for the food for
Yeah,
them.
I can see it's already pollinated. You see it.
Oh, there you are. Wow, so beautiful. Let them be.
Okay, so here's the test, guys. We're gonna leave these two alone, no touching. Ah, here's another one. Two more.
It's blooming. There's a lot of coming flowers there too.
We'll leave these guys alone, and wow, they're everywhere. Then I'll show you guys next time if there's fruit coming or not.
So many flowers, right?
So many. Here also, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, at least that are blooming now. And I think they only bloom for like 24 hours. Happy boy! Happy boy! Uy! Bayet! 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 Free water for the workers to take home. Yeah. Right, boys? We give them a free water. And which one did they bring from the vegetable garden?
What's the name?
Alabate.
Alabate.
Nice.
I asked them to bring.
We have so much of it.
Yeah.
So here's the plan, guys. We are slowly but surely, once the kitchen's ready, we're gonna remove all of this and bring back the beautiful nipa hut that we built. But like I said, once the kitchen is ready, we start Operation Cleanup. And here's lots of my new dragon fruits. Making them do some roots before I plant them. What?
Mati.
Oi! Another!
Good.
Ulan is coming, Maki.
Nahinay di ako yung Bakit? Maingay. Baby, how much you?
For the goat or for the cow?
For the goat, yeah?
Oh, cow.
Cow. Is it? Oh, it's Kogun. Look at that. It's the day after, and we're starting off the day with a beautiful rain. Let's take a look at the porch, how the water flow is going in, if it's going into our canal. So remember, guys, this area is supposed to be dry, very good. So no water is leaking in. And then it's supposed to go there along the wall and into the canal behind the car. So let's take a look. That's a good sign here. Nothing is going here. Very important. And then the water is supposed to be collected here. Yeah, it looks like it. Perfect. It goes down here into the canal. Perfect. Let me see it from this angle. Yep. Very good. Big rain, boys. Big rain. Hiya, Budak. Ulan this year. Woo. That's a proper rain. Canal is doing pretty good. And this is the last thing to cement. Then we're done with the porch. I was hoping today, but let's see later on. It's 7:40 a.m. Ooh, it's pretty chilly, huh? Free car wash.
Woo! Free car wash! Yay!
I just checked our electric consumption now. We're only at 57%, about 9 a.m., which is probably the lowest we ever had so far, because it's been zero visibility or almost no light all morning. But still 57. So we turned off the pool pump and air conditioning just to charge up a little bit. But now we're in the, well, you can kind of see, no up island, no ocean.
And today we're gonna touch the curtain blood so you can see curtain.
Curtains today?
Yeah.
Finally.
Yeah, we've never been so busy with all taking the outside, so we didn't focus much about here. Because you only have one carpenter that will do everything, industrial setup.
Okay, let's install that. How's the chair, by the way?
I love this. This is mine now.
No. Absolutely not.
You have another one. I'm gonna put that one there. You have another. And I'm pretty sure if you put that one there, you will see nothing over this.
Floor.
For sure.
The guy from Squid Games with Korean haircut. Now it's a proper rain, baby. 250 meter visibility.
Crazy.
It's good. Don't have to water the plants. Show you guys quickly in the electric room the power consumption and how much we're generating in the worst conditions you can imagine. So let's see if there's any power coming in. Okay. It's actually a little bit brighter, so we're producing 2.4 kilowatts here. Some machinery going on. This is what we're spending, 0.86 now, and generating 2.4. 1.5 kilowatts coming in through this inverter. Let's check the other inverter. This one is producing 1.5 kilowatt, spending 0.7. 0.7 coming in, plus 1.5, so it's about 2.2 or so, 2 to 2.5 kilowatts coming in now. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. We're now spending 1.5, 0.7, 1, 1.17. Okay. So we were 57 this morning, so only gone up 6% in about an hour. Yeah, that is the first time we're actually monitoring the system a little bit. No air cons on, the pool pump is not on, but the guys are working. But appliances so far on, of course, you have to do that. Here's the curtain rods. 585. Okay. So now it cleared up a bit. Let's check out the solar, how much consumption or generation we're doing. See, a little bit bright. You see the difference. Nice to take you guys along because this is our learning curve as well. Yeah, producing 4.2, very nice number. And 2.7, so 7 kilowatts coming in, already up to 89, very good. House is only using 0.12 kilowatts right now. Very good, very good. Time, 10:30 a.m. Now let's check out the guys working on the curtains. Nice one. Now, I am making our own drinking water. 25 pesos each bottle, but it saves us more by not have to driving up and down in diesel. ROI, it's going to be there. It will be there for sure, maybe in 10 or 15 years, I would say. Clean drinking water. And since all of this is automated, I'll show you something very cool. Once the production water is about half a tank, it starts automatically refilling. I'll show you. So here's the water line. Once it reaches about here, then the whole system starts kicking in and filling the product water. And as you can see, now it's using 9 amps at 224 watts. Normally it's about 4 just to create drinking water. But now we're making drinking water and production water. So it's 9 amps, consuming quite a bit of electricity. And once I stop this one, the last bottle, then I'll show you the amp usage. Okay, that's about enough. So we shut that off. Let's check out the power consumption. 5 amps right now. And that's exactly accurate. Then I'll show you how quickly it makes the production water. We were here just about a minute ago, and now it's already up to here. And then it's gonna fill up to maybe around here, I think. Now I'm also curious to see how much that is converted into kilowatts. So let's check out the inverter. But you can also just do the math, very simple, 9 times 224. Then you should be getting roughly the correct number for kilowatt hours. Now it's making the water, not that much, 0.75, 0.7. So a little bit over 1 kilowatt per hour to run that. All right, what's the update with the curtains?
Everything is good, just only one slight problem. We need to cut a little bit the rod because I think they sent me quite a little bit 1 inch.
So we just cut it?
Yep.
All right, easy peasy. Okay, that's gonna be it from the video, guys. Hey, look at the fence coming up there. Until next time.
Peace out.